Next, let's learn how to install skills. Skills are what turn OpenClaw from something that can just chat into something that can actually do tasks using real tools. And the nice part is you don't have to figure out how to install skills all on your own, because OpenClaw can actually help you install skills and troubleshoot them. So I'm going to do this through Telegram. First, I'm going to type, what skills can I install? OpenClaw will usually point you towards the skills library. It can also tell you what it recommends based on what you're trying to do. In our case, we're building a daily brief that can read from Google Workspace, like your calendar and your emails. So the main skill we want is the Google Workspace skill, called GOG. So next I'm going to ask, can you help me install the GOG skill and set up Google Workspace access? From here, the assistant will walk you through the steps for that specific skill. And this is important to understand. Every skill is a little different. Some are one-click installs, some need environment variables, some need permissions, and some require a quick authentication flow. So if anything doesn't work right away, don't panic. Just work with the assistant and follow the steps it gives you. If you run into an error, copy the error message into the chat and ask it what to do next. OpenClaw can actually rewrite parts of its own skill code and help troubleshoot skill installations, so you can usually fix issues pretty easily. So now I'm going to follow the install steps from my assistant and connect Google Workspace so that way the assistant can access my calendar in Gmail.